How to delete bookmarks, history and tabs on Safari. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can delete bookmarks, history and tabs on Safari. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your settings on your iPhone and then you have to scroll down to the bottom on the apps section. On the settings menu you simply have to click this app section on the bottom and then you have to scroll through and find the Safari app in the list. You can also use the search bar to search for the Safari app, or you can just scroll through and go to the S section by clicking S over here, or just scrolling down and then click the S section and then just search for the Safari app and click it. Now once you're on the Safari app, you simply have to scroll down over here until you find this option that says clear history and website data, and you simply have to click this over here. And then you have to just choose everything over here, click close all tabs, and then you have to just choose all history, last hour, today and yesterday, and choose whatever time frame you like or suits you, and then you have to click clear history. Now once you do so, it's going to clear all the history, and if it still doesn't delete the bookmarks, you can do that manually by going to your Safari app, and then you have to click this bookmark icon over here, and then you have to click bookmarks over here, and then you have to choose the bookmark manually and then long press it, and then it's going to pop up with this window, and here you have to click this delete. And you can do this for all of these by just clicking and holding them, and then on the pop-up click delete, and that's how you delete bookmarks, history and tabs on Safari.